Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is episode 157 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He reads the questions, he answers the questions. We read all the questions and answers, and we put the cool, the funny, the weird here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, should I bring my camouflage clothes on the cruise? What's the weight limit for that bed up top? Emeril has wings? What is John's favorite brand of tea? And why don't they sell diapers on board?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser heard that you should never wear camouflage or bring camouflage when you're on a cruise and wanted to confirm if that's correct and was it based on the itinerary. John said there are many places they go where you should not wear them. For example, this includes the Bahamas, Barbados, and other islands. Only their military is allowed to wear camouflage on that island. So John's advice is just don't bring it at all, but you can wear it on the ship if you wanted to. That said, if you have your camouflage on anything and you get off the ship in some ports, they will send you right back onto the ship and potentially other things. It's illegal in those countries, just for their military. Question two, this cruiser asked if there is a weight limit for the beds up top. I'm guessing that's the little ones that fold down from the ceiling. Wasn't too descriptive, but that's the only thing I could possibly think of. John said he believes the weight limit is 300 pounds. I'm a big guy, I'm not 300 pounds. You're still not catching me going on one of those. It's like two little cables hanging down. I don't know, not for me, not doing it. Did the bunk beds when I was a kid, not doing it anymore. So if you like to sleep up top, you just gotta be 300 pounds or less. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question three. This cruiser is going on the Celebration again later this year, and they wanted to know if Emeril's now serves chicken wings like the Emeril's on the Jubilee does. It's a great question. I've never seen chicken wings there. John said yes, they do serve them here, but he hasn't had a chance to try them. I would just agree. Like I just said, well, last time we were there, they didn't have wings, so maybe it's a new thing. And we will be on the Celebration in 2027 for the Ungroup Cruise. And I guess we'll have to try them then. We'll let you know. Question four. This cruiser asked John, what is your favorite brand of tea? And how do you prepare it? Because they said they didn't like the teas on board the ships. John said he loves Yorkshire tea. It's a traditional English tea, breakfast tea, he thinks they call it in the States. It has to be very, very hot, and the tea bag is left in the mug for 3.5 minutes to brew, and then he adds a small dollop of milk. I had to read that because John was very specific in his response. So there you go. He likes Yorkshire tea. Last question. This cruiser had, asked if Carnival had ever thought about selling diapers on board. As someone who cruised with a toddler and now sends clients on cruises with small kids, they feel that Carnival would be well to open up a small store that sells diapers, wipes, formula, stuff that parents would need if their luggage got lost or if they forgot to bring them. John said they actually do have them on board, and it will be in the same place where they sell the toiletries. They may not be on display, he said, though, so simply ask. We've seen this question before with feminine products where they just don't see them in the shops. Ask. Sometimes they're just not on display, but they do sell a lot of the stuff you need. So there you go. That's been episode 157 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.